Today I'm teaching you all about blow, why they're great.
Whoa, I don't think you can open up a video like that.
Why not? I love blow. You probably love blow. Who doesn't love a good blow? Without further ado, let's make Deadpool's blow. Okay, but seriously, I really think I had to, censor myself a little bit there. So I'm actually not gonna say this. Why don't we just see what drink I'm talking about? Deadpool, AKA Ryan Reynolds, orders this within the first movie, and a lot of people miss this moment, but it's a real drink, and let's see Slade Wilson? I can never remember who's who, because Marvel and DC rip off all the time. But anyways, let's watch one of those Wilsons.
What can I do for you? I'd love a blowjob. Oh God, me too. The drink, mooseknuckle.
So you heard him right there, Moose Knuckles. This is simply 3 easy ingredients. I'm not using coffee liqueur though. I'm using Shanky's Irish Whip. It's a similar coffee flavored thing. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and it's yummy. We got the Irish cream, and we've got the amaretto. Now, I think it's kind of crazy. In that movie, they named all the brands, and I don't know why. Why did they name all the brands? Crazy. We're just gonna do equal parts here, starting with the coffee liqueur. You could use Kahlua. Like I said, I'm using Shanky's. We'll see what happens. That's about 1/3, I'd say. Next up, a little bit of amaretto. Now here's where we start layering. And you kind of see a layer, but you kind of don't. Regardless, it's gonna be good. Now let's carefully layer on our Irish cream. And as you kind of see the layers here, you're probably like, oh, I get where the name comes from. That's not where the name comes from. This is where the name comes from. You toss on a little bit of whipped cream, and now the rules of drinking this, and I think I can say it now, we're probably like a minute or so into this video, is this is why it's called the blowjob shot. This is how you have to take it. I think I might die because this is a thick one, but you're supposed to put your hands behind the back and you do your shot. I think it's too big. I think I might die. My mouth's not that big, guys. Can I, you know what, here's what we're gonna do.
I've seen you with bigger things in your mouth. You got it.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour it into a, oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Whoa, this shot glass is, there we are. The messes were gone for a little bit, but they're back. Okay, so check it out, check it out, check it out. We got the proper size. I mean, this one was a good size, guys, but this one's a little bit smaller, but it's gonna do the job. Don't be worried, guys. Size doesn't matter. It really doesn't. This one might even be better than the big one. Oh, I got it. I suctioned it to my mouth. I did that wrong. Oh, that was crazy, but it was good. All the little bit. Let's finish that. Ugh. That was sweet and delicious. But that's how you take the blowjob shot. Now, okay. Here's what I was thinking while I watched the movie. I was not thinking, is that a real shot? Because I know better. I'm a bartender. That's a famous shot. It's been around for years. Deadpool didn't invent it. Marvel didn't invent it. Fox didn't invent it. Ryan Reynolds didn't invent it. It's been around for years. But here's my question. You got an iconic drink for Deadpool. Why didn't you make it Deadpool colors? That's just a blowjob shot. I'm teaching you how to make Deadpool's blowjob shot. Why not make this same flavor of cocktail, but actually make it good and red and black? So that's what we're gonna do. So to make Deadpool's blowjob, we're gonna need some black whipped cream, which is obviously something you cannot buy in the store. So what you need is about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Pour that out. Next, we need 1 ounce of vanilla rum, 1 ounce of cherry liqueur. Next, we're doing 1 ounce of black cherry syrup, freshly made, might I add. And just for a little bit of good luck, because black is an extremely difficult color to achieve in drinks, we're gonna add in some black food dye, see if we can't get a dark whipped cream. Black's probably not possible with all that white, but we're gonna try. Now we stir. Now we grab our whipped cream canister, pour in our concrete sludge, and let's charge this bad boy. So we're gonna twist on the top, And this is just a whipped cream canister. You can get these on Amazon. It's in my storefront. There's a link below if you want to get your own whipped cream canister. Now we're just gonna twist this in till we hear a nice little like that. Now we're gonna shake this about 15 times. That was more than 15, but I don't care. Now we're gonna grab the weirdest shot glass we can find, and check this out. People got upset about this shot glass. They're like, oh, it's so pointless. Look at all the glass in there. Guys, I think this shot glass is sick. I mean, like, how many shot glasses can you grab with your fist and just go bottoms up? I mean, that's what shooting shots is all about. Now for this part, let's keep it rather simple. Instead of cherry liqueur, we're gonna do straight up grenadine because this is sugary. Just do about 1/4 ounce in the bottom. Next on the list is going to be amaretto, if I can find it. And we are gonna try and layer again just to see what happens. Apparently I still had a little bit of Irish cream in there. Just a dash of Shankies. Nothing's layering like I wanted it to, but that's okay. And finally, just a little bit of Irish cream, like a dash. And you know what? I say screw it. It's kind of high, but I want to see my black whipped cream on top. Check that out. That is black whipped cream. Let's just try the whipped cream. Oh, that's crazy. It's definitely alcoholic. Like color scheme wise, how did I do? Honestly, I mean, besides the fact that it's messy as can be, it's black and red. I mean, Deadpool's not a clean guy. What do we honestly think? Did I do it or did I fail? And now, just for the sake of the drink, we're gonna take a spoonful. Let's give it a little stir. Ooh, major improvement. Cherry and amaretto might truly be one of those underrated combos that I don't know how is still so underrated. It's truly delicious. My only complaint is that this is so ugly and so tedious just for a little shot, but I think that's just what Deadpool's about, being extra when it doesn't even matter. That's all there is to this one, guys. That is Deadpool's blowjob. Thanks for following along and making me make another dirty, dirty drink. Guys, if you want more nasty drinks like this, not nasty in a disgusting kind of way, just nasty in a little raunchy, dirty way, just let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know below. And don't forget to share this with someone that's probably still alive. Leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.